Did you hear that AI is taking over coding jobs? People are freaking out. Like, should I quit tech and become a yoga instructor in the mountains? Kind of freaking out. And yeah, it's true. Tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot can now write code faster than most beginners. They can build login forms, to-do apps, even some full websites if you give them the right prompts. It's honestly kind of scary at first, but here is the thing no one's telling you. AI won't replace coders who know how to think, solve real problems, and stay curious. If that's you, or if you are working on being that, you are not getting replaced. Let me give you a real-world example. Say you ask AI to build a calculator app. Easy, done. But what if your boss says, build a calculator that works for blind users? Now that's a different challenge. The AI might still give you buttons and logic, but will it automatically think about screen readers, voice feedback, proper spacing for accessibility? Probably not. A real developer, a thoughtful one, will ask those questions. That's the difference. AI can follow instructions, but it doesn't understand people, problems, or bigger pictures. A lot of people think coding is just typing lines of code. But honestly, that's just the surface. Real coding is about solving problems, making smart decisions, and building things that actually help people. It's not just write a function, it's what's the best way to solve this for the user. And that's what AI can't do. At least not yet, and definitely not well. Here is another example. Imagine your team is building a food delivery app. The AI can help you build the payment screen, maybe even the order tracking part, but it won't think what happens if the user loses internet halfway through an order, or should we warn them about delivery delays? Those are the things you think about because you have seen real users struggle with those issues. AI doesn't know what it's like to be hungry at midnight waiting for fries that never arrive. You do. That's your edge. AI is also not great at designing how everything connects. It can help you with the small pieces of code, sure, but when you are building something big, like connecting a login system, a shopping cart, a database, and a notification system, that's where real developers shine. You understand how each part talks to the other. You know what could go wrong. You plan ahead. AI is more like a helpful assistant, not the architect. It's like having someone who can build furniture, but you still need someone to design the house. And let's not forget communication. Working as a developer means talking to teammates, explaining ideas, giving feedback, asking good questions, and sometimes even helping someone who is stuck on a bug. AI can give you answers, but it doesn't understand feelings. It won't know when someone's confused, or when the client keeps changing their mind, or when you need to gently tell your manager that their quick fix will actually break the whole app. That kind of emotional understanding, that's human stuff. And it really matters in real jobs. Now, I am not saying AI is useless, not at all. It's an amazing tool. It can help you write faster, find bugs, even learn new things. But it is still just that, a tool. You are the brain, you are the decision maker. You are the one with creativity, judgment, and real world experience. If you learn how to use AI well, it will make you faster and stronger, but it won't replace you unless you stop thinking and just start copying. Look at real stories from the world. Remember when self-driving cars kept failing in weird situations like getting confused by a bicycle doing a track stand, or when YouTube's algorithm wrongly blocked innocent videos because it did not understand the context. That's the problem. AI is trained on past data, but it does not understand context the way humans do. It can guess, but it can't care, and sometimes that's the most important part of building anything, caring about the people who use it. Even in history, when things really mattered, it was human judgment that saved the day. During the Apollo 11 moon landing, a computer's warning popped up. Did the astronauts say, let's wait for the algorithm to decide? No, a human made the final call to keep going. That's the power of intuition. That's something AI doesn't have. So what should you do in this AI world? Keep coding, but also keep growing. Don't just learn languages or memorize syntax. Think deeper. Ask why more often. Try to understand the full picture of what you are building. Talk to users if you can. Read code you did not write. Learn how different systems work together. And get good at explaining things in simple words to teammates, clients, or even your future self at 2 a.m. when you are debugging that temporary fix you wrote last month. And if you have been wondering whether you are still valuable in this new AI-powered world, well, you are. As long as you stay curious, thoughtful, and willing to learn. You are already doing better than a tool that just follows patterns. The developers who will go to the farthest are not the ones who write perfect code. They are the ones who understand people, problems, and possibilities. If this helped clear your mind or gave you a bit of hope, go ahead and hit the like button. And hey, subscribe for more real talk tech videos. Drop a comment below too. What's one thing you think AI will never fully understand? Let's talk about it. Because in a world where code is easy to write, thinking is your real superpower.